go. This is not a review by no means. It's just a quick look at a Barnett Xp 350, which is the Expedition 350. My understanding, not 100% sure, but I think this is just something that's really made special for Walmart for their sales. As you've seen, it holds up pretty good, pretty nice groups and things. It ain't a bad crossbow for the price. $200, and if you catch them at the end of season, sometimes when they're just trying to get things off the shelf, they'll knock some money off of these and drop the price as well. But not a bad crossbow. It's by Barnett. It's shooting 350 feet per second, 165-pound draw, and that's pretty much it. Comes with a red dot. Now, if you get the Expedition 380, it comes with the scope on it instead of a dot, a little bit more. But yeah, if you type in, like, if you try to Google Barnett Xp 350, this is not going to come up anywhere. Even if you look up Expedition 350, I mean, it's even on their website it doesn't come up. So that's why I'm thinking it's something that's exclusive for Walmart, because on their website they've got the Expedition 370 and 380, but not the 350. Because you'll come across, and I'm pretty sure somebody's going to sit there and say, well, you're talking about the Barnett Assault 350. No, this is not. Look at the stock. It's different. Look at, this might, come across as the Barnett Black 350 Black or something like that as well. But it's the Expedition 350. And like I said, this is just a quick look. Not a bad crossbow, easy to work. I'm not a big fan on the dots, but this one's working out. I got it sighted at 20 yards. I do that with all my crossbows. Like I said, this is just a quick look, not a review.